Ever wonder how your favorite product is made? Let's take it back to the Glow Recipe Labs so you can see how watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops are made. It all starts at Jeju Island. We source fresh watermelon here and like to choose fruit with funny shapes that would typically not make it into supermarkets. We send them to our lab in mainland Korea where we cut the fruit by hand and then dehydrate them for 3 days. This makes the nutrients and antioxidants in the watermelon extract more concentrated. We then use an ultrasonic extraction method, which requires less energy than typical hydrothermal extraction processes. And just like that, our super special watermelon extraction process is complete. We combine it with other glowing ingredients, brightening niacinamide, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and soothing moringa seed oil, and stir it all up. It's the powerhouse blend that makes dewdrops a powerful serum and makeup primer. One dewdrop is sold every 17 seconds worldwide, so we create a lot of it. Once the formula is ready, we move to our filling station. Our glass bottles are made with 70% recycled glass and are 100% recyclable. After they're filled, we hand pack them into their cartons, which are made of FSC certified paper. They're then shipped to our retailers and eventually make their way to you.